Introducing this beautiful 2011 Chrysler Town & Country conversion van. Offering an AutoAbility rear entry manual fold-out ramp. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 111,000 miles. Simply unlatch your ramp and easily bring the ramp down. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2011 Chrysler Town & Country conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.